If you're experiencing issues with pending transfers in Gmail, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the Gmail app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Gmail app. Go to your device's App Store, search for Gmail, and check for any available updates. Updating the app can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data of the Gmail app can help resolve issues. Go to your device's settings, find the Gmail app, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your emails. Step 4. Check Gmail server status. Sometimes the issue may be on Gmail's end. Visit the Google Workspace status dashboard to check if there are any ongoing outages or issues with Gmail services that could be affecting your transfers. Step 5. Reinstall the Gmail app. If the previous steps did not work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Gmail app. This can resolve any persistent issues by providing a fresh installation of the app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of pending transfers in Gmail. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.